Hello, it's Michael K. I'm on the Silver Comet Trail, riding my bike back. I just did 20 minutes up the trail towards Alabama, and now I'm coming home to where I put in at. And funny thing is, I'm not sure where I put in at, and a lot of these entrances / exits look the same. So if you never see me again, you can find me out here on the Silver Comet Trail trying to find my way home. It's beautiful out here, you see? A lot of trees coming up to a tunnel. It's a good place to ride your bike. Anyway, have a great day.